Introducing the Building Trust VR Simulation, a safe, lifelike environment to build trust skills while navigating challenging conversations. Learners can practice recognizing trust by guiding a colleague through her difficulties, and then apply the trust language to restore trust. Start by evaluating Sherry's situation, asking probing questions and diagnosing her actions.
Oh no, everyone's upset with me, aren't they? What do I do?
Then work with Sherry to rebuild trustworthiness with her team.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I just wish the rest of the team shared your positive attitude.
All using the 4 elements of trust from Blanchard's Building Trust program. Best of all, learners access real-time practice whenever is convenient through a browser or Oculus device, and receive instant feedback on their choices and performance. Get fully immersed and win transformative results with the Building Trust VR simulation.